Looking to tap into global trade opportunities? Starting an import-export business in Malaysia could be your gateway to international success. Strategically located in Southeast Asia, Malaysia is one of the region's top trading hubs, connecting businesses to Asia, Europe, and beyond. Whether you're importing quality goods or exporting local products, the possibilities are endless. To begin, register your company with the Companies Commission of Malaysia, SSM. Then, apply for an importer-exporter license from the Royal Malaysian Customs Department. Depending on your products, you may also need permits from relevant government agencies, such as MITI, MOH, or the Department of Agriculture. Make sure you comply with all customs regulations, tax obligations, and trade documentation requirements. Success in this industry depends on strong logistics, partners, reliable suppliers, and market research. Use digital tools and e-commerce platforms to expand your reach globally and build a sustainable trade network. Ready to launch your import-export business in Malaysia? Let 3E Accounting Malaysia handle the company registration, licensing, and compliance, so you can focus on growing your global business.